Make sure I'm recording. There we go. Y'all heard it loud and clear. All right.
Yo,
So,
Clap, clap. Let's go.
yes, what's up?
yo, clap, clap.
So I think we're gonna so my thesis is obviously we're gonna open up red. So we might open red to rip because I'm overall not bearish. Like my whole sentiment is not bearish. Like I'm still bullish. I just know we have to, come back a little bit to continue upside if we're still gonna go. So like I said, I think we're gonna open red more on SPY, and we could possibly rip up. Like it could be a setup for the Bears to get smoked. So if you sung, I think we're safe on the put swings, of course, because um they close in a little bit of profit. So at the end of the day, I think, like I said, I'm looking at a level for sure tomorrow. Hopefully we don't open under 438.50 or so. Because then if it does, then they'll probably just drop us like $1 and change before they try to bounce us around this zone. This is where I'm expecting the bounce on spot team. So this 437 zone is very important for me tomorrow. So if they do try to open us above here, then I'll hold my puts until we get around here. Like it's 438, so it's gonna be well in the money. So $3 is not bad. So that's what I'm expecting. Now the reject area is gonna be at 442. I'll say 50. I'm not gonna. Yeah, I would say 442.50. I'll watch for sure to see if it's a reject or SPY. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna, like I told you, we're gonna open red. I'll let you guys know if I'm looking at SPY calls at the bell. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the move that I was basically trying to implicate into tomorrow. This might happen. So I want you, because I'm not bearish on the overall market. Like, we've been freaking blasting. So I really don't have a reason to be bearish yet, unless some data comes new that gives me. But the Powell basically did what everybody expected. He threw a little wrench in there by saying he's gonna have an extra rate hike. I think the market honestly could swallow that and just keep doing this thing, in my opinion. This AI talk is crazy, like it's going crazy. So I think tech is the one really helping the market a lot, in my opinion. All right, so the Qs, I even swung some Q puts, just shits and giggles since we was in SPY puts. So basically the same thesis on the Qs. We open lower. Qs look like Qs honestly might drop a little harder than SPY because this RSI is gonna drop at least to probably here, and it's good because if it crosses already and this is support, that means it could bounce. So I think the Qs are going to drop a little harder than SPY. We got 10 change too. Let's see this MAC. I'm sorry. Let's look at this MAC. I want to see how the MAC doing. The MAC line basically. The MAC line is strong, but still is chin change and is getting lower. Like these were higher bars than here. So I think SPY is going to be, SPY, sorry. The Qs critical level should be around 366. Let's say 360, yeah, 366.5 around there. And then we got to see if it flushes on the 365, like 60, I'll say. And then the Qs looks heavy. But we got to see. This is a big candle on resistance. I'm just realizing it now. So short week too. So I don't want nobody playing crazy heavy because it's a short week. They might chop us. I did post a data calendar. So we do got some action going on in the sidelines. So we got to keep caution of that. But I do expect us to pull back. So I'm definitely gonna be watching this 366. Yeah, 366 zone, 366.5. I know we're gonna open lower though. If we open higher, I'll be shocked. But I'm betting that we open lower. Bitcoin's up. We swung some miners, so congrats if you did. So it should be up nice.
Yeah.
It should be really like honestly, the HUD call should be in the money. If they not, I don't know how we lost, but they should be at least. I'm gonna say two. I'm guessing $2.65 we could open on HUD because Bitcoin definitely went to 27, and I already see the pattern building. So we in that. So if you swung coin, I know y'all was talking about Coinbase, Riot, Mata. So you could have just picked your poison. All of them would have printed for you if you swung it.
Pick them all, man. Pick
Yeah.
them all.
Mariah
Yeah.
Carey?
One of each, and you good. Like you could open up to a $300 to $400 play easily. All right, so yep, it's holding. Bitcoin's building. So let's get to some names. All right. So let's see. Should we talk about? No, let's not. All right. I'm gonna talk about this one because the candle put it on Friday and we played it twice on Friday. So I'm trying to see if we get some more continuation. Spotify put in the stick on Friday. We caught the 156 one, I think, and then we got 160s. And then I don't know what happened in the last 15, 20 minutes, but this thing just took off. It went in the money and everything. So I low key might hold this. There's only one contract, so I really don't care too much. I might hold it for the whole week because if it hit in the money at the end of the day, Friday, what are the chances it's gonna close under that? It might close at 165 or better. I don't know. But excuse me. The setup is strong. Look, stupid volume on Friday, bullish on candle. Everything is saying it got strength to go higher. Even this is saying it could go higher. RSI, still good. Still good. We could go higher. This is gonna be a tight zone, that red zone. But look, Spock done ripped that zone before, so I like Spotify. If it holds above 160, so basically Tuesday, if you missed it, we're trying to get the 160 call. So if it goes on the 160, I'm trying to get a bounce. So the bounce could be right here at this top wick. So that will be your entry to go for the 160 spot. But we're gonna watch Spotify for some continuation from Friday. Another name we could watch.
The G spot night.
Hold on. Where's my list? Okay. This looks interesting. Sif actually put me onto his name a while ago. So this looks like it's ready to be a good short op, if I'm not mistaken, right? Everything kind of leaning to the downside because of the wicks building here. No, like basically weakness, like there's nothing strong here. And it might be an ER leak. They have, yeah, earnings. When is it? Wednesday. Okay. So is this creating a double top? It's already super overbought. This is getting weaker, the bars on the MAC. So if this starts curling down, momentum is going to start shifting. So that will be the momentum that'll bring it down here. So I'm thinking KBH could go. I want the 50 puts, to be honest, but I think they go increments of $3 to $5. I'm not mistaken. But the 50 puts look very interesting. Like I said, ER is approaching. I feel like this is a setup for ER league. Nothing bullish about this at all. And like I said, SPY is gonna be a little red tomorrow, so expect some pain if you got some calls that I'm gonna expect some pain on my calls. I know I'm gonna hold them though. All right, so KVH, I'm definitely gonna watch an entry. I want the 50 put, so I'm gonna watch this zone for you guys tomorrow. I'm put the alert at 50, 15 to see what happens. All right, D energy looks good, so hopefully ET could go up. Like and the energy's been getting clapped, but this this is not the right one. Hold on, D Dominion
Man,
energy.
ET's like allergic to the 13, bro. I swear to God.
Yeah, but you know what? I wanted to go to like 9, possibly 98. So I'll even take that just because I know husband's struggling to get to 13. But let's see. But this is the meaning energy. This is an energy play. So this above the 50 is a go to me. So 54-15 zone, 55 calls should be able to hit. This looks crazy strong. Look how extended the purple and the white line are apart from each other. So that's good. That's very strong. And the Mac grew the bar and is really strong to the upside. And it looks like it wants to flip, like push to be on the positive end. Like it's been dancing on the negative end for a while. So if it pushes to the positives end, that's good. That should push it higher. So that if it cracks the zone, we should definitely hit 54, at least 80, 75. And if we get a real strong move out of energy, then it could definitely go to 55.5. So this is a energy. I think I got another energy play. Hold on. Let me see. Oh yeah. No. Jade. All right. Is that the only energy? Sorry, team. I'm going through this list. Yeah. Okay. So I only put one energy. All right. So CLFD. So clear field. Oh, upside on this one. Okay. See, let me make sure that's the right one. Yeah, okay. So upside on this tech, I got it on the tech team. So I'm looking for this resistance macro break right here. And it could possibly keep going higher. Hopefully Q's don't whack it so hard, but I like this one above 50, 90. Hold on, right here. All right. So we look good to the upside. Look, pushing higher. We're on the positive side. I think that's why it's been pushing strong to the upside because this joint has been on the positive side for a while. And we got the bars slightly increased on Friday. So that still gives me strength. I mean, gives like the stock a little indication that we could rip higher, but it has to break that zone. So we're gonna watch that zone for either dollar out the money or maybe $2 out the money because I think this has a good ATR to $3 to $5 on a good day. So Clearfield looks good. See, I told you guys I'm gold, right? So I was talking about Newmont Friday. So Newmont could go is breaking this resistance, strong resistance over here. So basically, right here, we just gotta watch it. It's 44.55 zone will be key for Newmont. If this goes, we could obviously go watch GLD or GDX, whatever relates, you know. But this looks very strong. Look, everything looks pushing stronger. Once it cracks this resistance on the RSI, it's definitely gonna go higher. This looks good too. Great increase dark tint. So Newmont NEM should be good. I'll have SOV on my list. Let's see why. Yeah, SOV looks good.
Go. Let's go.
SOV. This is a nice uptrend right here. So obviously it's building pivot here, three pivots. This would be my first one, second, third, and it's higher every time. So yeah, this thing rips right here. This thing's gonna rip higher. I'm guessing Nami's in there already. So
Yeah,
really,
small account friendly and rips hard. Those cons rip, man. They move, man.
yeah,
I
so
don't too.
yeah,
Go. That's it.
yeah. 1 second, team. I'm sorry. Let me take this phone call real quick. Sorry. Hold on.
Mac about to rip that 0 line too.
Slap clapper. Or never
My
mind.
bad, yeah, my bad, yeah.
24-hour market
But
ain't.
yeah, silver upside, definitely a go. 22 and a half. Yeah, 22 and a half or 23 if you want to grab next week. Small account friendly for sure. Let me see what else we got.
Y'all see Robinhood's doing overnight on certain tickers now?
Yeah, I saw the news. Yep. Mhm.
This shit's crazy.
I can't wait to trade options 24 hours, bro. That'll be next level.
Like it has 24-hour price now.
We'd never sleep. We'd be like, yo, at 3:33 a.m. every day, there's a volume surge. Like one of
You
us
on your
would
third cup of coffee, Clayman? Nice.
So we got Mosaic, right? MOS, right?
I'm about to upgrade to crack. Shit.
And this
Or
has
downgrade.
a support of what is this? Yeah, 34.90. Like it's holding pretty good. It's building a channel. So we're gonna wait until this breaks that 30. I still have that alert, so this is why I'm still watching it. So we look good to the upside. Look at this double bottom, higher low. The only thing that's shaky is this, but it's all right. It's still twin. There's like a twin bar on these Macs, so it could be dark. It could switch to dark any moment. So we're gonna watch this to the upside. Feel like this thing could rip to the 50. So
Nice volume on that morning. Sorry, nice volume.
and that Friday had a huge nice surge volume, yeah. So those are good. I like that one. That one Prince, Mosaic. Got some health names here for you guys. Merck. Okay, so I don't know why his health been. It's like a roller coaster. So I just know tomorrow he's either gonna rip hard up or it's gonna rip down hard, like hard down. It's only got really a little bit of space to dance in this price range. So I'm watching if I'm gonna put two alerts. If it goes higher, it's gonna be over here. Got it hold over here. So
That is.
this 90 zone over here, 110.90. And we drop, obviously, gotta watch this 107.90 area if we drop on Merck. Now, granted, there is a wick right there that it will fill. Like if you get in, I would suggest, taking profit there or trimming right away at this wick area in this red candle. But once it lets this wick go, it's gonna go at least to the 200. Yeah, it could definitely go down here. But MRK, it's the only reason I'm saying it could go either way is because it's already above the RSI line. I don't know if it's building a pivot or it wants to dive under. It could build a pivot. And the only reason I'm saying it could build a pivot because of the MACD. The tint is smaller. This could easily pop up. So it's all right. Either way it goes, we will be there. So that's the good thing. So this one looks decent. The brother that kind of moves with it, BMY. I looked at both. This is why I'm a little bullish because BMY looks stupid bullish compared to Merck. Look at the volume it put on Friday. So this resistance, good resistance, and it was support over here. Once it breaks that, it's gonna go. So we're gonna put an alert around. It's gonna be kissing at least at 50. Yeah, we gotta get in at the 50 because if it gets in at the 50, it definitely goes higher. Yeah, so that's what 66.70. That'll be the 66.70 area. But BMY looks very bullish compared to Merck. But so if this is really telling the real story, Merck should push higher. So let's see what else I got. Pan W. Climate put some news about Pan W too. That's crazy. All right. Now this could be a evening star forming tomorrow on Pan. It's kind of like one of those sell the news on the hype, like everybody knows.
Yup.
So
Took it right out of my head, yo.
yeah, so this could sell hard tomorrow and we could be in early for the move. Now, the level that I would watch is like you guys know how evening stars are built. So in all theory, it's supposed to form an identical candle like this, but red. So you want to get in at least at the head of the candle, maybe the break of this wick under you could get in, which is around 241.20, or you want to wait for super confirmation, just wait for 241. Those are my two areas on Pan W for sure. But like I feel like it's gonna be like a sell the news on this, so definitely can watch this one tomorrow. I'll put 25. So Pan W. What else? I got Smith. Cheat. Just talked about it with silver. So GDX, right? Look, little pivot builds higher. It's holding the 200 nice. It was under, but now it's building. So this, once it gets comfortable right here, it's gonna fly. So 32, they got 32 and a half calls. So just wait for 32.10. And this should definitely go at least to, yeah, they should definitely go in the money because I don't think this is gonna break that resistance and go to at least to the bottom of this and then try to probably pull back. So they should definitely go in the money, the half calls after that break. So GDX looks good. Everything looked pushing. It already broke the RSI almost, did it? Almost. And then it has this resistance to play with. But yeah, we look bullish. GDX silver. So these are signs that, SPY should definitely be red tomorrow. So let's see. What else I like? I got like two more, man. It's a short week, so I think I got
Short list, short week.
short list, short week, yeah. Because I gotta do Zoom again tomorrow.
Oh, for sure.
Tuesday and Thursday. So don't want to overwhelm. I got two more.
He's a machine.
Yeah, the two. I got two more, gang. And then I'll look at whatever charts y'all want me to obviously look and talk over. So it's cool. So EXP, I haven't played this in a long time, but this chart looks very enticing. I don't know. Something about it's telling me it might be one of these charts that sneak up on there and run like it's already at a. Let me see if I'm not mistaken. Is this at a not a all time? No. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Yeah, it's breaking. It's breaking highs, right? I just want to verify that with y'all real quick. But look, everything's saying that this mother is gonna go higher. This MACD looks like it wants to go to the upside more. Doesn't say anything that is weak. The RSI is saying basically the same thing. So I think this thing could possibly like rip like all-time highs. Like all-time high plays, I usually like them because they go $3 to $5 like out there before they actually pull back. So I'm just gonna put an alert around. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Because if it bounces straight off tomorrow, it's 173. I'm gonna put an alert around 173 just to see what happens. And if anything, I'll go for the 175 calls. Uh,
Industrials
and
and materials looked good too, bro. The X's, industrials and materials, looked good on the
I'll talk
daily.
about the X's now that you just brought it up since I got a short list. Let's see the X's. Okay. Downside or upside? Because this look double toppy as hell right
Oh,
now.
I meant like XL
Okay.
and XLI,
Okay.
XLP. That's XLP.
Oh, what you said?
XLB,
XL?
LB, like the
LB as in boy?
yeah. There you go. Materials.
Got you.
There you go.
Yeah, it does look, yep, very strong. Good eye, brother.
So
So there
that's
you
why
go.
we talk
So,
about
so the
materials.
EXP is, yep, it is
Yeah,
material.
yeah. It's like supportive of the sector rotation out of tech
So,
and into the industrials and materials for sure.
yeah, so there you go. Perfect. Thank you, bro. I
Yep.
like
Yep.
So that one looks good. I Why the hell I put Domino's Pizza? I did this watch.
We got volume on the Morningstar and support too when it's going to break a massive pivot on the XLB.
Mm-hmm.
Look
It
at
feels like this candle's incomplete.
And it's going to like
To make
fucking take
another
it up,
one to
go to the bully, and
Yeah.
I'll send your EXP up
Mm-hmm. Yep. More conviction.
for sure, for sure.
DPZ. Why the hell did I put DPZ? This is a dangerous chart. Hold on, guy.
Bro, I was calling that fucking thing that claimed that 8, bro, that 3 days ago.
Yeah, it rejected perfectly off the
That
blue.
Morningstar right there, right on your, right there. Little
Mhm.
reversal. That's a RDR clap. That RDR like a mofo.
Got
That's
both.
high count.
RWR.
Baby.
So this joint is gonna have to give us an entry bounce around here. So this is gonna be a bounce entry. I'm not short on it because it's been beating up like crazy. So this is gonna be a bounce entry around 224 or high. I'm sorry, 324 high 323s on DPZ. I don't see anything bearish yet. That's why. And this MACD, wow, that was strong on Friday. Yeah, this thing got. I think it's gonna be like a momentum. And look, this is a double bottom. Boop, boop. Yeah. This is gonna be I think DPZ bounce, pullback bounce, and rips to these price levels for sure. All right, gang. Y'all got any tickers? Y'all want me to talk about? Let me talk about MD MongoDB, right?
Good, bro. That was the only one I had.
Mongo
MDB.
MDB.
Yo.
Oh man, this thing already looks like it's gonna fall off the cliff. You downside, right?
I just have an upper macro channel, which is the high 399, and then I have that lower.
All right, so you prepare for any.
That's it. I just drew a rectangle perfectly, and whatever side it breaks, we're taking.
I mean, if it does go down, it's not gonna go down a lot. It's gonna go down probably to this zone and then bounce. That's my opinion. But it looks bearish, you know, because of this
For the short
this
term, right?
triple top downtrend is nasty. Yeah, you see that? Like it's probably gonna come down to this zone or this zone.
What's your analysis, bro?
Yeah, no, of course, bro. Yeah, MongoDB. Yeah, there's a lot of semi bearish setups tomorrow and some bullish. So I'm gonna watch for sure. Excuse me. I'm interested in how gold is gonna open too. Matter of fact, what is gold futures? I mean gold, oil.
Yeah, gold,
My
oil,
apologies.
Bitcoin. Yeah, for sure.
I want to see oil. All right, oil's fucked again. So the only thing I'm really gonna look forward to is honestly Bitcoin, gold, and
Yeah.
Nami said materials and energy to see, just to see, because we're in the ET play. But I'm not gonna be into the other indices because I think they're gonna just sell off, and then I'm looking for the bounce. I'm looking for a bounce. I don't think we're gonna sell off hard, like crazy hard. So let's see what happens tomorrow. All right, gang. So we'll be on tomorrow. We'll talk in the morning and start off the morning right with these swings. Hopefully, we ain't ready in spy puts, so we should be good.
Okay. I think Luke wrote wheat, WEAT, wheat.
Oh, the weak swing that we in this joint, right? I'll pull it up on the daily, no problem. Yeah, still looks strong. Yeah, everything looks strong. Real
Thank you.
strong RSI. MACD looks very good. We finally on the positive side, so we might. I'm holding this. I'm not selling it. That's why I put it long. Put that expiration. We should go in the money. I don't see why not. We shouldn't see no rejection until like 710. That's my opinion on wheat. All right. All right, gang. I'm gonna let y'all be. Enjoy your night. And tomorrow
Thanks for everything, bro.
we'll catch up prior to the market. You're welcome. No worries, bro.
Thanks, man. Really
Banana. All right.
All right,
y'all
gang.
good.
Appreciate it, bro. All
Course.
right. Yeah.
GG.